will explain today the same topic that is called by reference. So let me share my screen. Wait. Right now it is shared. So students, let me open the Bluezay. This is Bluezay. Are you able to see this screen? This is Bluezay and their codes. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
Okay. So students, I said to you, and I have drawn one pictures also, and in that picture I have shown to you that if you change anything in the at their locations, then the things which is pointing to that thing, that particular location, that values will be changed.
No, sir, nothing is visible.
Yes. Suppose I made one box, and this is a variable. Suppose this is a variable. This box is containing the variable. Just wait. Suppose this containing is 19, and this variable name is A, and the location, that means the memory address of this variable is having 1002. Okay, this is the memory location of this variable, and this is containing 19. Okay, and so if anyone is changing to this particular location, and those who are pointing to this particular location, their values must be changed, because they are having the same values. Alok Yadav, go from here. You are disturbing the class. Alok Yadav, go from here. Otherwise, I will. Who is writing this thing? Erase.
I not right.
Erase immediate. Erase. This is final warning to you all. Erase immediate. Who is doing this thing?
I am not, sir.
If I will found now that will be a big problem for you. You can understand. You are not understanding me. This will be a big problem. You just not think me like other teachers. Okay, so as I was explaining, if you change the values at that particular locations, then what happened? What happened? Again. I think I should talk with your father. Otherwise, this should not be going to stop. So, are you able to was this screen, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the definition of call by reference is, in the pass by reference technique, the reference of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So reference means is the address. So remember that the reference denote the memory location, which I said the same thing. What reference represent? A reference represent the memory location of a variable. Is a result both the actual parameter and the formal parameter represent the same memory location. Hence the called method works with the original data rather its own copy. Let me show you by the by writing the code, then you will get it very well. Suppose I have made one method, public void, the method is change, and I am passing the, that means let me write first actual method, then you can understand. Sorry, actual calling, actual parameter. So first I need to make the object Pramod Kumar obj equal to new Pramod Kumar, and this object is created. Then I will call obj dot change, and I will pass here the object obj. So you know this is this obj is this parameter is called actual parameter, and this one is called formal parameter. So this object is of type Pramod Kumar. So I need to write the parameter of that means the formal parameter of Pramod Kumar type. So I will write here Pramod Kumar, and I can write any type of variable, like suppose I have written obj1. So obj1, then this method is closed. Then after that this one, and suppose I made one variable static int a equal to 10, and I'm just changing here obj1 dot a equal to 20, and this close right now. And if I'm printing system dot out dot println, and I'm printing this one a, then we will get the 20, not even the in the place of 10. Just see here, let it compiled. This is compiled, no error. Just see the output. You got the answer 20. Just see here, watch here from here. Just see, this is answer is 20. Okay, so see this 20, and this is the code. So how this is coming, let me explain once again. So this that means the reference of the actual parameter, the reference, listen, the reference of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter, and you know that reference denote the memory location. This is reference. What is reference? The reference of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So you know that this you are passing the object to this change method. So you need to have the receiving this one also, and this receiving type is a Pramod Kumar type, and obj1 is there. So basically, if you are changing this obj1 dot a, so you are changing the variable a at the position this one. Let's see here. If I made one picture, suppose I have a variable, change this variable to b, and if I have a variable obj1 dot a, if someone is changing the value at this memory location, just see here, suppose this is right now 10, and after some time it is changed by 20. So the variable which are having this 20, this automatically change, because you do not have the copies of that variable. You do not have the separate copy. You are just having the memory locations. Are you able to understand? Are you understand?
Yes.
So basically, listen once again. Let me clear you. This is a the actual parameter is passed to the reference of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So this is reference, This is reference, and this is passed to the actual parameter, and this is the formal parameter. So you know that the actual parameter and the formal parameter are having the references, and you know that references are the memory locations. You know that? Do you know this? So the actual parameter and the formal parameter, they all have the same memory location. Okay? Okay? Is it okay or not?
Yes.
Listen,
Yes.
listen. If I pass here, suppose if I'm passing here 12, and you write here, sorry, you write here int a. Okay. So if I'm passing here, let me comment this. So if I'm passing here 12 and it goes to a, and if you change like this, a equal to 30. So what happened, student? This is the value. This is not the reference. Is this reference? Is this reference? Right now you are passing the values, not passing the references or the memory locations. Is it clear to you? Clear or not? So the so this 12 goes to a, and this a contains a separate copy. You know, just I explained in the previous video, if someone copied the movies from your computer to another computer, then if he change anything in that movie, then that will not be reflected. Is it clear right now? but but if I give the address to him, that means if I do not give him the that means the separate copies, I am giving the memory location to him, and if he will change, then what happened? It will be changed automatically at my location also, because we are also having the same memory location and he is also having. Is it clear right now or not? So the actual parameter and the formal parameter is having the same references. Is it clear? The references of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter, and you know that references denote the memory location of a variable. Is it clear? Clear or not? Students, please tell me. I need to move ahead.
Clear.
So when you pass this one, that means uh, the actual that means the references of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So this time you are passing the value, and if I pass this one obj object, then I will need to write here Pramod Kumar obj1, and let me just do it, and I will write here obj1.a. So right now we are changing the values which are the actual value. We are changing in the actual values, not the copies value. So here the references of the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So this is references to the actual parameter is passed to the formal parameter. So that's why if you change anything, because this is the real value, so if you change anything in the real value, so that will be reflected to everywhere. That means in this place also and in this place also. Is it clear? Can I move ahead? I think this is clear. Grijesh Shonkar, is it clear? Grijesh Shonkar, is it clear or not? Grijesh Shonkar, are you there? Grijesh Shonkar, are you there? Arpita, Grijesh Shonkar. Is this not clear? Ritik. Ritik,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What it is?
Sir,
Yes, ask.
can I ask one question?
Definitely, sure, ask.
Sir, if here the next example you have shown that A is equal to 10, how it is printing 20? That means
The same question I
if we
am
assigning the value A 10, then how it is printing 20?
because you are references of the actual parameter. This is reference of the actual parameter. This is actual parameter, and this is formal parameter. So you are passing the references, and you know that references is the memory locations. So suppose, listen, let me take one real example. Suppose if you have a that means mango, and you mango not do not take the real mango example. Let me think one example. Suppose I have a mango, and that mango I have given to my friend. Okay, so if he is eating, he is destroying destroying it, so can it will reflect to you?
No.
No, but if you share the memory location of, that means address, that means you are having the same memory location of that particular mango, and he's also having the location of that mango. So if he will do anything, then it will reflect to you or not. That means you are also sharing it, na?
Yes, yes.
So in the same way, you are passing the reference. Okay, reference means memory
Yes.
location of that variable, and
Yes.
just see here, watch here. Uh, this memory location, if this memory location is passed, and anyone is changing to this memory location, so because this memory location is shared, so this will be reflected to both the places or not?
It will reflect it.
Definitely. So both the actual parameter and the formal parameter represent the same memory location. Is it clear? So
Yes.
if there will be any change at the same memory location, then the both person can be reflected, will be reflected, not can be, will be reflected.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if 10 person are sharing to this memory location, and someone changed the value to this memory location 20 to 40, 40, 50. So those 10 students, then those 10 person will be reflected. That means they are also getting the changes value or not, changed value or
Yes,
not.
they will get.
But if I share the separate 20, 20, 20 to everyone, and one is changing the value, so it will be reflect or not?
No, it will
No.
not.
Right. The same concept is call by value. That is, you share the value. That means you do not share. You just copy. Copy paste. You just
Yes.
everyone will have their own values. So if you change if they will change anything, then no reflect. It is called call by value. If you pass the reference, what do you pass? Reference of that particular variable. That means actual parameter and the formal parameter are having the references, are having the same memory location of that variable. Then if anyone is that if there will be a change, then it will reflect to everyone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I think right now it should be clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So basically,
Thank you, sir.
what object is having? Object is having the memory location. This obj is
Yes.
having the memory location, and you are passing this to the actual parameter. So this obj1 is also having this memory location, same memory location. So if you are
Yes.
changing obj1 dot a equal to 30, that means you are changing the variable's value at that particular location. So this will be changed to everywhere.
Yes.
Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
100% confidence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anybody
Thank you,
say?
sir.
Can anybody say that this concept is clear 100%? Anybody? Anybody from this class? Can anybody from this class say this concept is clear 100%? No one.
No.
No one can say. No one can say. Shreya Dubey,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes.
100% sure this is clear? Shreya,
Yes, sir.
if this will come in your examination, then you can write the code. Can you write the code? Suppose in your examination, the question is coming like write the code for call by value and call by reference. So can you explain by writing the code to the examiner? Ritik. Suppose in your examination the question come कि explain call by value and call by reference with writing the writing example. So can you write the examples to explain them?
Yes, sir.
You can that means satisfy to them.
Yes, sir. As
Okay.
you have done this.
Okay, so you can write this code. You can write this code to explain him call by reference, and the previous
Yes,
one,
sir.
then the previous code. Just students, you should write this code in your copies also. Okay.
Yes.
So so students, this is the that means example of call by reference. This is the example of call by reference. So you should write this code from in your book, or sorry, in your copy, or also you can write the call by reference code from your book. The same code is given in also your book. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain a new topic that are static and non-static method. No, I will start a method overloading, because method overloading is also a very conceptual things. Method overloading is a very conceptual things. If I will not explain, then you cannot get any single things. Okay. So thank you, students. You can leave now, and your work is you will write about the theory part of call by value and call by reference, and also you will write these examples in your fair copy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.